This is the Irish Roots Cafe, and we're down by the Riverwalk. We've got another wild crowd today. I'd like to remind you that we've got 3 broadcast series that are out there for everybody on our webpage at irishroots.com. The first is on Irish song and recitation. The second is on the Irish in America. That's this one right here. And the third one is on Irish families worldwide. And today we're going to talk about the Irish in America broadcast. You can come hear us. I think we've got about 30 or 40 episodes done so far on this one. We've covered the Irish in Missouri for starters, St. Louis, Kansas City, and the Irish Wilderness Settlement that Father Hogan put together. We've also gone down to Savannah, Georgia, and talked to the folks there, and that was very interesting. And we're waiting for you to call in and let us know where we're going to cover next. What we're trying to do is gather together all the authors, historians, dancers, and just everyday Irish, and get a picture of the Irish in America with a view towards Irish history. So we want to hear from you. You can contact me from my website at any time. And like I was saying, we've done all these podcasts, and what we're looking for is your local history, your community, your block. Who was the Irishman who helped found your area? What were some of the stories of the settlers? We've covered history and legends of different cities. And we've even found out where the oldest Irish-owned business in America was. It'll surprise you. The name of it is Brown's, and that's spelled with an E, and you'll have to listen in to find out. And we also covered traditional Irish music locally. Say in Kansas City, Scardiglan was one of the on the forefront, really, of bringing back the traditional Irish music. So we talked to some of those folks, and that was real interesting. And of course, we talk about the old-time Irish politics, and we talked about old Boss Tom Pendergast, and there's some of those just about in every city in America, so we're looking for those stories too. And what about the Irish Patch? Where was that out? And just what did the folks do there? And what were some of the early names in your town when folks came in? And you Irish dancers, we know who does all the work in the city, so we're looking for you too. Well, can't you hear that whistle blowing, folks? Until next time, this is Mike O'Laughlin talking to you from right where Ireland met America at the Irish Roots Cafe right down by the river.